Hi, this is Patty, and I am going to show you, I know it's not cooking, but I'm going to show you how to wash and sanitize your mask. Now, I have two black masks here. I have this one, and I have this one, and I have makeup on the mask, on the inside, because I do put a little bit of makeup. I will be using fabric sanitizer, Clorox, spray and wash. I will use Dawn detergent because it's good for greasing. You know, we have the oils on our face. And I have some laundry sanitizer. Now, a good product to use is Borax. It is very good. Okay, I'm going to do this mask. I'm going to show you how to do one mask first. I have my spray and wash, and I'm going to spray, and I am in my bathroom. I'm in my guest bathroom right now. I'm going to spray this mask. I'm spraying the inside and the outside. I'm going to show you how to do one. And I'm going to kind of rub that around a little bit. The spray and wash, I'm going to rub it around really well with the spray and wash. Put a little bit more spray and wash on here. And I'm hand washing. I'm not going to put it in the dryer. I'm going to let it air dry. But right now I've got this little, generally I let the spray and wash soak on here for a while. And I don't know why I didn't think to do that before I came on. But this is what I'm doing. I rub the spray and wash on there. Also, I have Dawn, and Dawn is very good. It is very, very good for grease. I'm going to put some Dawn on here. Put some Dawn on and rub that in. I'm going to do that. Rub it in really, really well. Okay, here it is. And let me run some water in it over here in my face bowl. I'm running some water in here. Now, I'm going to, oh, and look at that. Okay, so now I'm going to let you see, this is the inside. I'm going to rub a little more, but I've gotten just about all of that makeup. And as I said, I don't put on much makeup, but I put a little bit on, just a tiny bit, and especially my forehead so it won't be so shiny. But this is it. And it was, okay, this is the outer part of it, of the mask. See here? So I'm going to do that, and then I have the laundry sanitizer that I'm going to use a little bit on to sanitize it. This is the laundry sanitizer. I'm going to pour a little bit of that on and rub a bit more. Get it all sanitized and washed. And let's see here. And then I'm going to come to this face bowl here. And let you see, I'm going to wash it, rinse it in the face bowl really well. Really well here. Okay. Then I'll let you see. It is clean. You can see on the inside it's clean. And it had makeup in. I think you could see the makeup that it had in it. It's clean. And I'm going to spray it as well. Fabric sanitizer. I'm using two types of sanitizer. The laundry sanitizer and the fabric sanitizer. And as I said, and this is the fabric sanitizer. As I said, Borax is really good. I don't have Borax this time, but it is really, really good. And you can see how clean and sanitized that is. And even on the outer side, look at this. So I'm going to rinse this out really well. I had hot water. I have lukewarm water that I'm rinsing it out. Get all the soap, rinse it well to get all of the spray and wash, the Dawn detergent, and the 2 sanitizers out. And as I said, I will let it air dry. I will hang it in my laundry room and let it air dry. But I just want you to see, I have some paper towels here in the bathroom, and I'm going to kind of put it out on this, and look at that. Just look at how clean it is, all sanitized, and look at that. It's just really clean, really, really clean. And I have this one here, and it has quite a bit of makeup in it. You would think I have never washed it, but let me just put a little spray and wash in here. And on this one, I have the breather on it. So I'm just going to put the spray on here and let it set a little bit and kind of rub it out. I want you to see how this is getting clean from what I just showed you. This is the little breather that came off it. I can put it back on though. I mean, I've just put spray and wash on, but I want you to see the difference. I'm not going to take you through this whole process, but I want you to see the difference with just the spray and wash. Look at that from what I just showed you. Just look. Look at the big difference. That's just with the spray and wash. So I'll put a little Dawn detergent on it, a little bit of Dawn, and I'm going to rub it a little more and get all of the makeup off. And this one has a filter, so I have some filters, some new filters that I can just attach in here. But you can see the difference just in what I showed you the before, and I'm going to show you the after in terms of the makeup. We have to keep these things clean and well sanitized because we're breathing in our lungs with these masks on. I'll put the breather back on once it dries. But look, I want you to see the big difference in what I just showed you. Look at that. Look at that. It doesn't look like the same mask, does it? Look at that. So, this is it. Just want to show you how to sanitize and wash your mask. That is very important. This is Patty's Southern Kitchen, and we will come to you soon with the next video. We will talk to you in a bit. Thank you for joining, watching, making comments, asking questions. Have a great day. Love each and every one of you. Goodbye.